Today we are going to start chapter number 2 of bookkeeping and accountancy, that is accounting for partnership firms, basic concepts. Please understand this chapter very carefully because there are 5 chapters of partnership in your course. This is the same partnership that we have studied in class 11 in business studies. The theory is the same as given in the 11th class in business studies. Now there are numericals also. First of all, what is partnership? When 2 or more persons join together to conduct a lawful business by contributing capital or skill or any other asset and to share the profit earned by that business among them in a predetermined ratio or in a certain ratio, that is called partnership. The persons who get themselves engaged together are called as partners, and together their group is known as partnership firm. In India, the partnership is governed by the Indian Partnership Act 1932, and in that act the definition of partnership is given in section number 4. The definition is, according to Indian Partnership Act 1932 section 4, you have to write the definition in inverted commas because you cannot change the words given in the act. Partnership is the relation between persons. Partnership एक ऐसा संबंध है उन लोगों के बीच में who have agreed to share the profits of a business. वो लोग जिन्होंने सहमत हो गए हैं, शेयर यानी बांटना, प्रॉफिट यानी लाभ, ऑफ अ बिजनेस, एक बिजनेस के लाभ को बांटने पर सहमत हो गए हैं, ऐसे लोगों के बीच में संबंध पार्टनरशिप कहलाता है. ऑफ अ बिजनेस, ऐसा बिजनेस विच इज कैरीड ऑन बाय ऑल, जो सबके द्वारा चलाया जाए, और एनी ऑफ देम एक्टिंग फॉर ऑल, या सबके बदले में किसी एक के द्वारा चलाया जाए. ऐसा बिजनेस के लाभ को जो लोग आपस में बांटने के लिए तैयार हैं, उनके बीच में रिलेशन को पार्टनरशिप कहते हैं. पार्टनरशिप इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन पर्सन्स हु हैव अग्रीड टू शेयर द प्रॉफिट्स ऑफ अ बिजनेस कैरीड ऑन बाय ऑल और एनी ऑफ देम एक्टिंग फॉर ऑल. बिसाइड्स this form of business organization is emerged due to the limitations of sole tradership. Sole tradership यानी एकल व्यापार, उसकी limitations के कारण emerge हुआ, सामने आया. There were very limitations like limited capital, limited area, limited personal contacts in the sole tradership, and to overcome this problem, partnership form of business has been emerged. Sole tradership की मुश्किलों को दूर करने के लिए लोगों ने साथ मिलकर पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस करना स्टार्ट किया. इसको हिंदी में साझेदारी कहते हैं.